Hello everyone! Today I'd like to share my thoughts on de-extinction, its power and responsibility. Last year, the biotech company Colossal Biosciences declared itself as the world's first and only de-extinction company, claiming to be closer to restoring the past, preserving the present and safeguarding the future than anyone before. They had created two living pups of the dire wolf, an animal that disappeared from our planet around 10,000 years ago. Using cutting-edge genetic engineering, they combined ancient DNA with modern wolf genes. It seems to be a huge step forward for scientists. They use such key technologies as genome editing, cloning, and backbreeding. Ben Lamb has opened a completely new chapter in science. On the one hand, reviving extinct species could help restore damaged ecosystems. For example, reintroducing large herbivores could renew grassland, or predators could control overpopulated species. It could also advance genetic research and create new jobs. But at the same time, should we really use an endless power of science this way? Actually, there are also risks and consequences. The ecosystems where these animals once lived have changed dramatically. The climate, food chains, and habitats are no longer the same. Introducing ancient predators like dire wolves might disrupt modern ecosystems, harm native species, or even threaten farmers' livestock. Moreover, we cannot ignore the moral question. Is it right for humans to play God and rewrite the past of nature? Aren't we too confident believing we can always fix everything later? As for my home country, Ukraine, the extinction could bring both hope and risk. Reviving ancient animals might strengthen national research and ecotourism. We lost the magnificent wild horse tarpan in the early 20th century. Could the extinction restore our steppes or damage fragile habitats and affect local communities who depend on farming and nature? In my opinion, each decision must balance science, ethics, and humanity. Scientists and governments should carry a shared responsibility. Every de-extinction project must be based on strict ethical rules and transparent research standards. As I see it, there should be international laws to ensure safety of the environment. Most importantly, the funding should also go to protected species that are endangered today. Prevention is not just cheaper, it's a moral imperative. So, de-extinction is not only a story about technology, it's a story about our values. It reminds us how powerful humanity has become, but also how carefully and responsibly we must use that power. Let us never forget, the best way to protect the future is not by bringing back the past, but by protecting the life that still exists today. That is our true mission.